Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to edit WhatsApp messages after sending. So here you can just open the WhatsApp app, and here I will send this message. You will see the message is hello. I will send it to someone. So for here I will edit it and have some changes. So I will just hold it, and you can click to the top right corner of three dots, and here you can see the third number is added. So I will just remove it, hello, and I will just randomly some changes. I will from hello to hi bro, where are you. So when the changes have done, you will just have to click to this click button. So you will see the edit section has been updated and shown. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.